Welcome everyone, I'm John and this is the crypto channel of John. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own wallet and how to install it, because I was gonna show you first of all how to buy some crypto, but if you have no place to store it, it would not be fun to have some crypto anyways. So the next movie will be about how to store your crypto. First of all, we need a wallet. So I showed you yesterday which wallets we had. We have a paper wallet, an online wallet, a software wallet, and we have a hardware wallet. I recommend for everyone to buy a hardware wallet. The links are in the description, so buy one. It's only 79 euros for the smallest one, and you can be delivered anywhere in Europe within 2 to 3 days, something like that. It's just to make sure that your cryptos are safely stored and that you make what it is. Hi Aliana. So that was my daughter that passed by. So we just show you how life is, and I will not cut anything out of the movies anymore. I will just do what I like to do it. I'm just having fun anymore. I'm having a lot more fun showing you guys how it really is and how I'm really is. I don't want to change my life, change my world, change everything because I'm on camera. I just do it like it's supposed to be doing. Now, here, first of all, this is a nice one. I'm gonna show you how to install atomic wallets. In the next movie, I will be showing you how to install Exodus. It's about the same, but I will just do those two. They are decentralized wallets, and I like them the most because you will always be able to attach and go to your funds. So nobody is in control except of yourself. Just make sure it's a software wallet. So a software wallet is still hackable if they get into your computer. That's all. Otherwise, it's very safe. I'll show you step by step how to do this, but I will be not using that wallet because I already have one, and I will be deleting that one afterwards, so that you just know how to do it, what to do with everything, and where to store everything, because we have a secret phrase and we will have to be able to store that at a certain place too. Now, okay, first of all, we need to download the wallet, of course. We are on atomicwallet.io. This is NL, so the text is here in Flemish. I can put it in English if you guys prefer to read along. So this is now, everything is now in English. Download, Dutch or English, it's about the same word, so we press download. Then you got a few options where you want to add it to. So first of all, I'm on a Windows computer, so I will be using the Windows part. You can also have it on Android, Apple Store and on Google Play, so you can install it on your phone too. You can install the same one that you install on your computer as on your phone. You just need the words of the secret phrase, you fill them in, and that's it. You will be able to install it the same one. So you can use your abilities of your cryptocurrencies on two wallets at that point. So I will be pressing the downloading one. Now this has already been downloaded. I will be not subscribing onto, it's not necessary. We will be opening it. After opening it, this installs itself. You can see it's already using it. Have a little bit of patience and we will see what the next one goes open. It's installed, we already have it. I think it's on my desktop too. Let me see. Yeah, you can see here on the right side, left side, it's on my desktop. So now what is the next part that we need to do? You can choose restore from backup. That means the 12 words or the 16 words or 24 words, I do not know out of my head how many there were, that you can use those to fill in for your next part. So you can use those words to put it on your phone and rewrite those words, put them in, and you will be able to open the same wallet on your phone as on your desktop. That's how it works. First of all, we will need to set a password. I will be just using one. I recommend to use a password from at least 8 to 10 or even more. How more there are, the better it is for yourself. So this was a small one. I will be not using this wallet anyway, so I will just be deleting it afterwards, like I already said. This password is just to enter the wallet itself. this password has nothing to do. This password has nothing to do. Oh, it's not the same. With anything else. So this is not your phrases or anything off from your phrases or something. This is exactly the password that you just use to open the wallet. So set password. Then it will be installing. Now you can see here are my 12 words. It seems that this secret phrase is 12 words. I do not want you to copy this and place it anywhere. I want you to take a piece of paper right now, pause the movie, take a piece of paper and write it down. Write it down 3 times, people. Why 3 times? Because I know a lot of you guys will not be keeping that on a small base. Maybe somewhere not secure, or maybe somewhere not that safe that you will remember where you put it, or you hide it too good and you forgot also where you put it. So I want you to write it down 3 times and put it on some place that you will remember where you put it. Remember, if anybody finds these words or finds these words, that means that they can enter your wallet. So keep it on a safe basis, people. So don't lay this around that anybody can follow it or find it or something like that. So keep it safe for yourself and make sure these are on a safe place. So after writing down these words, you will be needing them. I will do that myself with a piece of paper now. Otherwise, I would be going against my own rules and that would be not smart at all. Just a second, I'll be taking a pen. Okay, here we are. Piece of paper. First word of me was spent. Anybody can write them down if you want to. Add me some money. It's always nice of you guys. You can open up this account if you want to. I will be not using it anyway, so it's no use for you guys to write it down. I'm just showing you how this works. Like I already said, I will be deleting this wallet from my PC straight away after this one is done, and I will never use it again. So it's just, like I said again, for education only, so that you guys know how to do it and what you have to do. Do never share these phrases with anybody. This is really very important. If you share this with anybody, they can get on your funds, and this is how people get stolen their cryptocurrencies. So you hear sometimes on the news or on the media sender that people have lost their funds, or that it's because they shared these phrases. Do never give this to anybody, not even if you know them. If you want some information or you want some education from somebody, they will never ask you these phrases. They will just let you open it and they will show you how to do it like I do. If they do not do it like I do not trust them. Please, be safe, it's your money. I just want you to show it the correct way. Now, I wrote them down. You can just copy them to a clipboard too. I would not do that. Why? Because if you store them on your computer and your computer gets somebody inside and they found these words, you can enter their wallet too. So that's why I want you to write them down 3 times again. I re-say it again 3 times, people. Why do I rephrase everything so much? Because it takes about 7 times to get into your brain. So that's why I'm doing it. So then we open the wallet and that's it. This wallet is open. Now we have our first crypto wallet. Woohoo! So good done if you're past this part and you got this far. So this is how we open up our first wallet. Do remember, this is a software wallet. So it's quite a safe one. It's better than an online wallet, that's for sure. You cannot trade leverage or anything on this wallet. It's just to swap one coin for another or to buy them. You got 2 options here to buy. You can press buy crypto and do it by Visa. You can buy crypto like that and go further into it, or I can show you on another one how to get into another place and where to buy them just with a bank card too. And then you can send the crypto to this wallet. If you want to show an address, like this is Bitcoins, and if you want to receive, you can see it here. You just press wallet first of all, then use Bitcoin, press it onto it, receive Bitcoin, and this is the address then from your Bitcoin wallet address that you need. You need this complete phrase, or you copy this phrase and put it into the place where you want to send it from. Or if somebody wants to send you cryptocurrencies, you can use this phrase to send crypto to your wallet. That's how it's done. It's the same with Ethereum. You use receive, you use this code, and the crypto will automatically end up in your wallet. This will take about, I guess, Bitcoin 10 minutes. Ethereum will take less. It's a faster chain. That's just why. If you want to send them, you just, instead of pressing receive, you will use send, and then you need to paste an address. Like I said before, this receiving address I will use now as example. If you have a Bitcoin address from somebody and you need to send it, you will need this phrase address and press it into your Bitcoin. You send, you need to click the phrase address. This is the address then that you will send it to. This is now my own address that I used, but then the amount that you want to send, you can choose to use dollars or BTC. If you say $1 I want to send, I don't even know if it's possible. You'll need more BTC for this transaction. Okay, I don't have any Bitcoin in this wallet, like I said before, it's a practicing one. And then you can just send one. You see set fee, this is the amount that it costs, and this is the time, 30 to 60 minutes maximum that it will take to send it. This is the amount that you will pay for the network fee. This is the miner's fee, so this is that you pay to the miners for keeping all the transactions on their computer and doing everything for it. So they earn, all together they earn 0.1515 USDT, so that's about 15 cents, so that's quite cheap for such a fast transaction. If you do this with a bank transactions, you pay around 2 to 3 euros every month on your account. This is a free account, so that's better. So you don't pay any money if you don't send anything. Yeah, that's about it that I got to you for Atomic Wallet. I hope you guys learned something. Oh, no, I got one more thing. Once you have sent crypto to this wallet, you can exchange one currency for another. So I give you an example. If you bought your Bitcoins for 20,000 euros and you want to sell them back, like if it's 40 and you want to sell the half so that you got your initial investment back out of it, it's very easy. You just say, okay, this needs to be Bitcoin and I want back to a stable coin. The stable coin is a coin that's related to the dollar, the euro, anything else. So you say, I put X amount of Bitcoin that I bought, say that you bought one Bitcoin at this price, and you want to sell, the price is now 18,000 and a bit dollars. So you say, okay, I want to sell half of it when it reaches a certain point, so you keep the market in mind. If you just watch my channel, you will be able to see what the market does always, and I will keep you informed. Then a half Bitcoin you would get back at that price. You would use, I want to sell half a Bitcoin to USDT, then you just press exchange and it will swap automatically on your wallet to another coin. If you want to change it to another coin like Ethereum, I said I want a half to Ethereum coin, you do it the same way here. It's very easy, it's very user friendly. That's about the things that you can see here. You will see all the coins that you have in the wallet itself. You can see there are a lot of stable coins already here, so they use them. Buy crypto is to buy your crypto online, like I said before. The history is the history that you bought and the transactions that you have done before. Staking means when you have crypto and you put them in here, that you get an X percentage yield a year based on that cryptocurrency itself. So that means not the money, but if you have 10,000 or if you have 1,000 cryptos in here, that means that you would earn 150 Zilicas every year just by holding them in this wallet. NFT gallery means that you can receive and send NFTs from this part. Settings, this is for easier cashback. What do I mean with cashback? If you do transactions, that you get cashback back in these transactions that you make. Support anonymous wallet ID. This ID you need if you want to send to support. These are very friendly, user friendly. They are very helpful too, and they help you get along very fast. Exit is just exiting the wallet, and you will close up the wallet. If you reopen it, you just press the wallet again, and you need the password that you started in the center for the starting. So that's about it for Atomic Wallet. I hope you guys joined it. I hope you guys learned something. The link will be in the description below, how to use it, where to get the Atomic Wallet from the exact good website. I'll normally have a referral link for this one too, but I will be not using it. I think it's on my other computer, so I have no idea how to get that referral link at this point, so that's why will not be using it. And by the way, I'm just educating you guys. I'm not here to make money from it. I'm just wanting you to learn and to make sure that you guys keep it on a safe basis and make sure that you all have a good way to get informed about cryptocurrency, because it will be needed very soon, and I see the banks are not going that well, so keep in mind that this way it is at least at your disposal when you need it. Nobody can stop the transaction. Like I said before, cryptocurrencies, it's not possible by a third party to stop any transaction, and unless it's on a third person or third party is exchange. So if it's an online exchange, then you can have that problem. With this wallet, you will never have that problem. It's a decentralized wallet on the blockchain itself, and there are always funds if you want to transfer or do a transaction. If there are no funds available, you will be not able to do the transaction itself. Okay, I hope you guys learned something. If you like these movies, give me a thumbs up, share it with other people that want to learn about cryptocurrencies. I'll be doing every day a movie, maybe two. We will see how much time I have and on my hands. But I like doing them, and I like sharing every information I have about this. So keep it up, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day. I say see you in the next one. Ciao.